In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Word using 3 different methods, each suited to different needs. Whether you need a quick and simple table, a precise one, or a more custom layout, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the details, ensuring you can effectively incorporate tables into your documents with ease. First, we'll explore how to use the Insert Table grid. You'll want to start by navigating to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Once you're there, you'll see a Table option. Clicking on this reveals a grid. This is a visual and interactive way to insert a table. Simply move your cursor over the grid, and you'll notice cells become highlighted as you hover over them. This step allows you to select the number of rows and columns you want for your table. Once you've determined the perfect size by moving your cursor, a simple click will insert the table into your document. This method is quick and visual, making it ideal for creating small tables where you might not need many rows or columns. Next, let's look at using the Insert Table dialog box. You also begin by going to the Insert tab, then clicking on Table and selecting Insert Table. Here, a dialog box will appear, providing you with fields to enter the exact number of columns and rows you need for your table. This approach is more precise, allowing you to tailor the table size to your specific requirements. If you are dealing with larger, more complex tables, this method is particularly useful because it lets you define the dimensions explicitly. After entering your desired numbers, clicking OK will insert the table right into your document. This method is also fantastic when you already know the exact size of the table you require. Lastly, let's talk about drawing a table. Begin by once again heading to the Insert tab and selecting Table, and this time choose Draw Table. This option changes your cursor into a pencil tool, signaling that you're ready to start drawing. Begin by outlining the table's overall shape in your document. Once the main outline is drawn, you can also sketch in the rows and columns, allowing for a high degree of flexibility. This is particularly advantageous for custom layouts or when you need uneven cell sizes, giving you complete freedom to design your table just the way you envision. Each of these methods offers distinct advantages depending on your needs. Whether you're crafting a simple grid, a precise layout, or a custom-designed table, Word's variety of options makes it easier than ever to organize and present your content effectively. I hope this guide has provided you with a clearer understanding of the process, so you can confidently choose the best method for your next document. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.